Going to see the muscles of posterior compartment, that is triceps brachii muscles. Triceps brachii muscles arises by the following three heads. The long head arises from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. It is the longest of the three heads. The lateral heads arises from an oblique ridge on the upper part of the posterior surface of humerus, corresponding to the lateral lip of radial spiral groove. The median head arises from large triangular area on the posterior surface of humerus below the radial groove, as well as from the medial and lateral intermuscular septa. At the level of the radial groove, the medial head is medial to the lateral head. The long and lateral heads coverage and fuses to form a superficial flattened tendon which covers the medial head and are inserted into the posterior part of the superior surface of olecranon process. The medial head is inserted partly into the superficial tendon and partly into the olecranon process. Although the medial head is separated from the capsule of the elbow joint by the small bursa, a few of its fibers are inserted into this part of the capsule. This prevents nipping of the capsule during extension of the arm. These fibers are referred to as the articularis cubiti or the subanconeus. Nerve supply. Each head receives the separate branch from the radial nerve. The roots are C7, C8. The branches arises in the axilla and in the radial groove. Actions. The triceps is a powerful active extensor of the elbow. The long head causes extension and adduction of the arm at shoulder joint. It supports the head of the humerus in the abducted position of the arm. Gravity extends the elbow passively. Electromyography has shown that the medial head of the triceps is active in all forms of extension, and the action of the long and lateral head are minimal except when acting against resistance.